In order to build the game and be able to publish it in the App Store, we need to have a tool that takes all the files from the game, put them together, and creates an executable file. And that tool is called Xcode. That's where usually programmers get to write the code and add the assets. Okay, so that's pretty much what Xcode is all about. Now, you need to download it. It's free to use. What matters is that you have the iOS developer license. So let's go to developer.apple.com/xcode and download it. Okay, so I'm going to go to developer.apple.com/xcode. All right, and we have Xcode 4 for free here. Now there's a link right there, view in the Mac App Store. Okay, or you can just go straight and open the Mac App Store yourself. It's in the Applications folder, or open it through the Spotlight. You press Command Space, and here you would type Xcode. All right, that's I'm sorry, not Xcode. You would type App Store right there. So that's another way to launch it. As you can see, I already have Xcode, so I don't need to download it, but I may have to actually update it. So let's take a look. View in the Mac App Store. Okay, so now it's launching the application. Okay. All right, and here it is. If you don't see Xcode right there, you just have to go ahead and type it here, Xcode. All right, and you would find it here. All right, so as you can see, I don't have the latest version, so I'm going to click on Update. All right, now it's very important to always have the latest version of Xcode because you may have some issues when you build a game, so make sure you always have the latest. All right, sign in. And there we go. Now it's installing the latest version. So I'm going to stop right there and wait for the install to finish. That's a pretty big file, so it might take a while. Once the installation is finished, you should see the word install right there under the Xcode icon. Alright, so now we want to make sure that everything got installed correctly. We're going to launch Xcode. It's in your applications, or you can just go in your Spotlight by pressing Command Space and typing Xcode. There it is, in the top hit. I'm gonna click on it, and that should bring Xcode. Okay, it's loading slowly the first time because it's probably writing lots of different settings. And there we go. So Xcode is launching. So far, so good.